research team in Taiwan is working to lift this burden from the animals used in testing. They're doing that with the help of artificial intelligence.
New technology has revolutionized how we study wild animals. An increasing number of researchers are turning to artificial intelligence to monitor biodiversity and bolster efforts to help endangered species. Unlike conventional methods that can disrupt ecosystems or require considerable time, labor, and resources, AI has the potential to quickly and effectively analyze vast quantities of real-world data. Interesting, right? Come on, let's get to know more. As a conventional practice, researchers work tediously to identify the specific animals from photos for population studies. Later, with more effort and time, these camera photos are classified manually. But now, thanks to advanced level technologies like artificial intelligence and machine learning, such tasks can be performed more efficiently with better results. Yes, the full integration of AI and ML-based solutions in wildlife conservation can help us save the biodiversity of the Earth. Application of AI to automate wildlife monitoring and tracking by analysing data from various sources such as satellite imagery, drones and acoustic sensors, learning different AI or machine learning algorithms such as object detection algorithms, which can be used to identify and classify animals based on their species, would benefit wildlife conservation. Using the Normalized Difference Vegetation Index can be helpful in inferring changes in animal populations through the number of plants in an area, thereby quantifying a given species in the area. Scientists can learn the benefits of using artificial intelligence to track and manage wildlife, such as reducing costs, saving time, and aiding in effective data collection. Understand the potential applications of AI in wildlife conservation efforts, and how it can help protect endangered species. AI in wildlife refers to the application of advanced computational techniques to address various challenges in wildlife conservation and management. It involves using AI technologies such as machine learning, computer vision, and data analysis to collect, process, and interpret large data sets related to wildlife behaviour, habitat monitoring, species identification, and more. AI in wildlife aims to enhance conservation efforts by providing valuable insights, automating tasks, and assisting researchers and conservationists in making informed decisions for protecting and preserving various species and their habitats. AI in wildlife applications encompasses a diverse range of uses that leverage artificial intelligence and advanced technologies to aid in conservation efforts and better understand the behaviour and needs of various species. AI-powered image recognition and computer vision technologies assist in identifying species from photographs and videos, aiding researchers in tracking and studying wildlife populations. AI-driven sensors and camera traps monitor habitats in real time, collecting data on species, movement, behaviour and environmental changes, helping conservationists make informed decisions. Machine learning algorithms analyse collected data to estimate population sizes and trends, which is vital for assessing the health and status of endangered species. AI systems detect unusual activities such as poaching or illegal logging, enabling rapid response and intervention to protect wildlife from threats. AI processes vast amounts of data to reveal complex ecological relationships, aiding scientists in understanding ecosystems and making predictions about their dynamics. AI algorithms analyze migration patterns, helping track animal movements and uncover critical migration routes for protection. AI assists in detecting diseases among wildlife populations, allowing for timely responses and preventative measures to maintain ecosystem health. AI aids genetic analysis by shifting through genetic data to understand genetic diversity, population structure, and potential risks. AI-driven models help create effective conservation strategies by predicting the impact of human activities on wildlife and suggesting mitigation measures. AI models can predict how climate change may affect different species and ecosystems, aiding in planning adaptive conservation strategies. Power wildlife population monitoring with AI using various information provided by satellite images. For instance, alterations in vegetation density from one region to another can be a sign of alterations in the food supply. This might affect animal populations in a particular region. The Normalized Difference Vegetation Index, a measurement of the quantity of vegetation in a specific area, is another name for this. Applications of AI algorithms include satellite imagery analysis and identification of plant density changes. This can then predict changes in animal density in an area. How much vegetation is present in a specific area can be calculated through the NDVI, Reducing vegetation density can indicate less food availability for herbivores in the region. This can be the potential reason for a decline in their population. Drones are becoming increasingly popular for wildlife monitoring and tracking. Aerial imagery is required to monitor animal populations and movements and is collected using drones. In addition to this, drones that contain thermal sensors are used to track the movement of animals by detecting the heat signatures of animals even in dense vegetation. Using AI algorithms to analyze drone imagery and identify animals, for example, identifying animals with the help of object detection algorithms in drone imagery. In addition, training machine learning algorithms to classify animals based on their shape and size into several meaningful groups. Conservationists can track and monitor the animal population in their natural habitat by doing this. Animal vocalizations are recorded in order to identify species and track their movements in a given area through acoustic sensors, similar to how birds are identified by their distinctive vocalizations. In addition, many mammals also communicate through vocalizations. For instance, wolves communicate with others in their pack through howling sounds. Determining animal species by listening to the vocalizations and using AI systems to assess acoustic data. For instance, grouping or classification tasks may be performed using ML algorithms trained on the frequency and duration of the animal's vocalizations. Thermal sensors mounted on drones or other platforms can detect the heat signatures of animals in their natural habitat. By analyzing thermal imagery using machine learning algorithms, conservationists can identify the location of animals and monitor their movements over time. The AI's ability to identify the presence of poachers in protected regions makes it particularly helpful for anti-poaching activities, which are otherwise manual and time-consuming. The collaboration between the World Wildlife Fund and Intel focuses on safeguarding Siberian tigers in China. Using AI-driven analysis of extensive data from camera traps, the project aims to enhance monitoring efforts and protect these endangered species. UK-based DeepMind developed an AI model for species identification and population counts, which was deployed in Tanzania's Serengeti National Park. This innovation aids scientists in recognizing wildlife and aiding in the conservation of vulnerable species. San Francisco's Rainforest Connection NGO employs AI to counter wildlife poaching in Africa. This technology contributes to real-time detection and prevention efforts, curbing the illegal activities threatening various species. Microsoft's Species Classification API demo showcases a machine learning model capable of identifying over 5,000 animal and plant species. This AI-driven advancement assists researchers and conservationists in accurately identifying species for preservation endeavours. Artificial intelligence reduces conservation efforts by speeding up the process, reducing costs, and increasing the accuracy of the data collected. AI can also reduce conservation efforts by protecting endangered species by identifying variations in their populations. So that's it. How can we use AI for sustainable wildlife protection? Comment your thoughts and share the video. Hit the like button and subscribe for more.